This is how you catch all the mosquitoes in your garden and home. My grandma showed me a brilliantly simple trap that works surprisingly well. All you need is a regular bucket. Pour in about 1 quart of warm water. Then add 1 tablespoon of dry yeast. As it starts to ferment, it releases carbon dioxide, which is exactly what attracts mosquitoes. Next, add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and stir until it fully dissolves. The sugar feeds the yeast and boosts the reaction. To make the trap even more effective, add a tablespoon of dish soap. This lowers the surface tension, so when mosquitoes land, they can't escape and will drown. Place the bucket inside a larger cardboard box. Don't seal it completely. Leave a small gap so insects can fly in. Set the trap outside where mosquitoes are most active. In the garden, on the patio, or near a gazebo. Ever since I started using this trick, evenings outdoors have been peaceful again. Try making one yourself and see how well it works. The best way to use a mosquito coil without lighting it. It's simple and truly surprising. Instead of lighting the coil, hold it under a stream of lukewarm water until it becomes soft and flexible. You won't find this trick on the packaging. Once the coil softens, break it into small pieces and put them in a bowl. Then add about 100 milliliters of alcohol. This is an important ingredient that makes the scent stronger and last longer. Next, squeeze the juice of half a lemon and mix it into the mixture. Lemon contains natural essential oils and acids that effectively repel insects, plus it adds a fresh, pleasant aroma that masks the coil's smell. Preparing the whole thing takes less than 2 minutes. Place the mixture on your terrace or balcony. Its scent will keep mosquitoes away effectively. The best part is that the coil doesn't need to be lit to work. The effect is just as strong and even lasts longer than when used traditionally. Just put the bowl on the table and relax outdoors without unwanted guests. It's a clever and convenient way to enjoy summer evenings. You'll never see flies and mosquitoes in your house again. If you're interested in ways to repel mosquitoes, I'll show you a simple method. You'll learn how to make your own mosquito spray. It doesn't contain any chemicals, but it has everything flies and mosquitoes hate. Just spray it on door and window frames, and no insect will come near them. Prepare a container. Pour in a cup of water. Add a tablespoon of ground cinnamon. Cinnamon has properties that repel these insects. It also works very effectively on ants and gnats. Mix everything well. Cinnamon repels unwanted insects with its smell. Pour the mixture into a spray bottle using a funnel. To prevent the sprayer from clogging, strain the mixture through cheesecloth or a coffee filter. This is one of the easiest and most effective sprays for mosquitoes and flies. Mosquitoes and flies hate this scent. Just spray the frame of your front and balcony doors. Also, spray the window frames. Additionally, you can spray it on your plants. It won't harm them. On the contrary, cinnamon has many benefits for plants. It protects them from diseases, stimulates their growth, and regulates soil pH. If you spray your trash can, no flies will hover over the waste. This one spice will provide you with the best and most original spray to repel flies and mosquitoes. Hang it on a tree, and you'll quickly get rid of that annoying problem. This little pouch will also work well in the house. It's a simple yet effective method. Take some aluminum foil and tear off a piece. Foil is not only good for storing food, but also has hidden uses. Fold the foil into a larger rectangle and fold the edges tightly to keep it from falling apart. Carefully make a small hole at the top using a screwdriver. Now take a string and cut a piece of the right length. Secure it carefully to the foil. The pouch should look like this. Its function is simple but effective. You can hang it on a window, door, or even on a tree. This will keep flies from appearing in your home. The light reflecting off the foil on a sunny day effectively repels them. These insects avoid the flickering reflections that they associate with it. This small but clever trick can be indispensable, especially in the summer when the insect problem becomes particularly bothersome. If you do this, moths, ants, and cockroaches will flee from your home. You'll never have bugs in your kitchen again. If you spot pantry moths in your kitchen, act immediately. These insects can infest anywhere that's dry and has plenty of food. Grab a bowl and some ground coffee. 3 tablespoons will be perfect. Coffee gives off a strong scent that repels insects, discouraging them from settling in cupboards or pantries. Take a few bay leaves and crush them into smaller pieces. Bay leaves also work as a natural repellent due to their strong essential oils, which insects avoid. Add a tablespoon of ground pepper as well. Pepper contains piperine, which irritates insects. It not only repels bugs but also disrupts their communication and navigation abilities. Wrap everything in a small packet and poke holes in it. Place it in different areas. Ants, flies, moths, and aphids avoid areas where they smell these spices. Putting them where insects appear helps protect your food from pests. Buy it at the pharmacy and apply it to window and door frames. You'll get rid of mosquitoes in your home without using strong chemicals. Simply apply this ointment to the window frames, and no annoying insects will enter your home. This ointment contains ingredients like menthol, eucalyptus, and camphor. They repel mosquitoes with their strong scent. It's a natural solution that not only protects your interiors, but also doesn't harm the environment. The best part is that the scent of this ointment is pleasant to humans, so you can enjoy a comfortable atmosphere in your home while getting rid of pesky insects. Avoid using toxic sprays and chemical products that can harm your health and the environment. Instead, use VapoRub and enjoy peaceful evenings without troublesome mosquitoes. The scent of VapoRub lasts a long time, so just apply it to windows or windowsills every now and then to keep mosquitoes from entering your home. You should hang it on the window. In no time, you'll get rid of a bothersome problem. You will thank me for this trick later. Hang such a bag in the kitchen, living room, or bedroom, on the window or on the balcony door. This clever trick is a must-have. I can no longer imagine my home without such a pouch. All you need is to get an ordinary plastic bag. It doesn't have to be too big. The size I am showing now is sufficient. A couple of ordinary coins will also come in handy. Turn off the water in the sink and fill the pouch with water. It is enough to fill it halfway. Then drop a few coins into the water in the pouch. I have a zip bag, so I will close it now. But you can also use a regular bag. Tie it with a rubber band or string. The pouch looks like this. Hang it on the frame of the balcony door or on the window handle. You won't see any more flies in the house. The reflected light from water and coins on a sunny day keeps flies away. These insects are afraid of water and all the strange flashes they associate with water. Such a bag of water with coins is enough to scare them away. They won't even want to go near it.